Hey, I'm Mario Rivers. I am an online business coach. I'm a Navy veteran. I'm an author, a podcaster. I also write and produce music, and I'm a musician. My mission is to empower individuals to transform their knowledge into profitable online businesses. I help people turn their ideas into products, help people leverage their knowledge to create services and products that can generate sustainable income. And I know this is bananas, but my goal over the next few years is to help 100,000 entrepreneurs get started with their online businesses or increase the business that they already have. Now, I've done 22 years in the United States Navy, and during that time, I was a team member. I was a team leader. I led several teams of engineers. I also learned how to delegate, so delegation, how to work well with the team. I also did a lot of training and mentoring. I've also written and published 2 books. One was about relationships, and the other is about starting an online empire or an online business. I also started vlogging in 2015, and from that, I started to fall in love with videography and photography, and those things helped me learn some valuable lessons. So I've taken everything that I've learned in the Navy, everything I've learned from publishing my books, and everything I've learned from vlogging, and I've used all of those to create content and tutorials to help you guys grow your business. I used all that knowledge to help you turn your ideas and your passions into thriving online profitable businesses that generate income for you. A few more fun facts about me. I host a joint podcast with me and my fiance. We also have vlogs that we do behind the scenes. And also, like I mentioned, I write and produce music, and I've been doing that for probably couple decades. Those are just a few things I like to do outside of YouTube and creating content for you. Over the years, I have developed my signature course. It used to be called the Online Biz from Scratch course. Now it's called Online Business Simplified. I will link down to it in the description, and I want to help you do what you've always wanted to do. If that's building a business, if that's writing a book, whatever that is, if it has to do with online business, I want to be your guide. Like I said, I want to help 100,000 entrepreneurs over the next couple of years start their businesses and start to generate income. If you would be interested in having your own online business coach along with free tutorials and trainings that might help you grow your business, then go to bit.ly/coachedbiz, like you see here on the screen, and that's going to help you grow your business. It's going to give you tips and tricks and videos and tutorials and courses and books and things that will help you grow and get to where you want to get to. So stay tuned to this channel for tutorials that can help you do just that. I hope to see you in the future. Peace, blessings, and prosperity.